So,
Astos.
yeah, hi Sam, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing good. So,
Okay. So, I got your CV from our chatting. So, as I can see your resume, so you are working as a
senior associate manager. So,
okay. So, could you please walk me through your profile?
yeah, sure. So, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present myself here. I am Asutosh Sahu. I'm from Cuttack, Odisha. I did my MBA from Institute of Management and Information Technology, Cuttack, which is a constituent college of BPUT, Odisha. I did my specialization in human resources and marketing. Prior to that, I did my graduation from Revenue University in 2019 with the honors of BSc Information Science and Telecommunication. Speaking about my candidature, I currently am working as a senior assistant manager with ICICI Bank Limited. And prior to that, I was working with Swift Strategic Solution and taking care of strategic recruitment basically for LTM entry. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, okay. Pretty much impressive.
Thank you
So,
so much.
so could you please tell me about your roles and responsibilities in your current organization?
Sir, currently I'm working with ICICI Bank. My position requires me to do multiple tasks cross-selling and operational channelizing. For example, this is a mix of sales as well as operational role, and my position requires me to channelize the sales figures for my entire team as well as my own statistics. For example, how many sales I'm doing, how many sales my team is doing, what are the products which all are active, and what are the products which are meant to be sold, what are the campaigns running going on. So my role is to channelize everything and do the sales according to my manager.
Okay, okay.
So
So,
for that, I am using Excel and Power BI, as well as I am using Power BI visualize the investment pattern for my specific client, because I am currently handling almost more than 2000 plus client base entire pan India with a total net value of around 900 plus year. So for some specific customers, I have to manage their portfolios and their investment plans. For that, so I'm using Power BI for the data visualization.
okay, good.
Yes.
So, could you please tell me something about your day-to-day life in your current organization? Like, what do you do?
So basically, as I told you, it's a mix of sales and operational role. So first, I do understand what is the campaign objective my organization gives day-to-day basis, and regarding to that objective, I have to prepare a pitch deck which includes the figures and the data visualization, and using that I pitch my clients. Like, so if you have this investment portfolio, this will be the future index, or this will be the future prospects you are
So,
going
so, so,
to
so
achieve.
for data visualization, you are using a Power BI, right?
Power BI as well as Excel for data extracting and everything. I use advanced Excel like the pivot tables and lookups and
Okay.
basically very few functions
So,
for
so,
advanced
so
Excel.
basically, where do you do the like data cleaning process? Like in Excel or Power BI?
Excel, sir.
Excel, and then you
Yes.
import the data to the Power BI and do the visualization.
Sometimes data predefined, like automated is predefined in Power BI. I just have to enter a few details like years and as per the client requirement. Then it automatically stores me the core data,
Okay, got it. So,
because that is linked with a CRM server.
okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. So, now currently you are working with a sales profile, right?
sales as well as operation.
Operation.
Both.
Okay,
It is a
okay.
mix of both.
So,
Yeah.
this is the role for a senior analyst, like senior data analyst, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, why do you want to apply for this position?
Because I like from the inception, starting from my career, I have one thing in my mind. That's what I am going to do in my career objective. I am going to make an impact of like millions of people's life. For example, right now I'm solving a problem or some service of giving service to the people which are limited in numbers. But by choosing data analyst or moving towards data analyst profile, I may able to make an impact of thousands or millions of peoples by using a data properly and analyzing it and improvising it, channelizing it. So basically, that is the prime objective myself to move towards data completely. Because right now I'm on a mix of roles, but as it's changing kind of thing, so to compensate my future objective, I want to move towards data analyst position.
So, how do you handle like tight deadlines and high pressure situations?
So that's actually my day-to-day task because I'm in a banking field. I believe that you are aware of the stress and everything
Yeah,
that
yeah.
the employees have to face day to day. So basically, what I do, I strategically manage my day. For example, if I am getting a figure or if I'm getting a specific campaign that I'm going to work upon, I divide it accordingly and schedule it by time. For example, if I'm going to pitch a client who is having a portfolio value of 1 CR plus 2 or 2 CR. So according to that, I have to keep multiple things in my mind so that when I'm going to pitch him for a specific product, I should have the sufficient data for the pitching.
Okay.
So yes, sir, that's how I do it strategically. I break things and work on each of them. Then I do it completely. Yes, sir.
Okay, got it. So, okay, could you please share a screen?
Yes, sir, sure. Is it visible right now?
Yeah, it's visible. So, okay. So, write a what email ID of yours.
Is it visible now, sir?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, write a function to extract. Mm, okay, just give me a dot and differentiate your first name and last name.
Okay, sir.
No, just add a dot in that mail ID.
I think it's solid there.
No, there is no dot, I think. Just add a dot. Asutos after Asutos. No, no, no. After Asutos. Yeah, yeah.
Done, sir.
Yes. Now just write a function to extract the first name of yours.
Okay, sir.
before search, in left function there are two parameters, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So before search, we have to mention the string, right, from which you want to extract.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then comma. Yes. Now hit enter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So do you know about trim function?
Sorry, sir.
Do you know about trim function? Trim.
Trim, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, yes, sir.
Tell me about trim function.
So, for example, it eliminates a specific position from an array. For
Trim
example,
function.
tier array, sir.
Trim. Yes. Trim. Trim function.
So, yes, sir. That's what I know.
Okay. Okay. No issue. So do you know conditional aggregate function in Excel?
Yes, sir.
So tell me.
So, sir, aggregate functions are basically sum, uh, a division, average. So, if with that function, if we are adding a condition, so that automatically becomes conditional aggregate functions. Sum ifs, mean ifs, average ifs. These are the examples.
Okay, so if I want to find there is a table and there are some cells of particular managers. Okay, so I
Yes,
want
sir.
to find there are five managers name and their cells. So I want to find particular manager wise cells.
Yes, sir.
Then what is
So, sir, in that case, let me show you.
yeah.
So, sir, we have to use sum ifs.
Okay, some
Then we have to first find the range which we are going to work upon.
yes.
Then we have to give the criteria. For example, here the criteria will be for the specific manager. We want
Hmm.
the number of cells. So after giving the proper parameters, we can find out our required answers.
Got it. Correct. So and before that there was a there is a of parameter for criteria range.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, sir. Of within that we have to derive the range of that
Yeah. We have to
specific
put the
criteria.
range of that.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
I
sir.
want
Yes,
to
sir.
find the managers for a particular manager sales, then I have to.
Yes, sir. We have to give the range,
Yes,
sir.
yes, correct, correct. So sorry. So do you know about the difference between count A and count blank?
Yes, sir. Basically, those are the things we have to find how many columns are there or how many rows are there, and count blank is to find out how many blank space are there in our entire range or entire our like desired range.
So count and count blank I got it, but what about count and count A?
So it's a count. So that basically gives us a specific number, how many cells are there or how many columns are there.
So difference between count and count A.
So both are almost same. So one gives a exact number. So I am a bit confused about it, but both are almost same. So
Okay, 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 got it. So like um do you know about slicer? Like you said,
yes,
you are
yes, sir.
using Power BI and Excel for data
Slicer,
visualization.
yes, sir,
Hmm.
yes, sir. Slicer basically we use, for example, we have a team of let's suppose 12 to 15 members,
Hmm.
and we have the entire data of how many sales we did in January, February, March. There is a data table from that. So by using slicer, while using the pivot table, by using the slicer, we can see how many cells I did, how many cells from my team member did. So yes, sir. slicer basically help us to exactly know and visualize the data. So
basically it filter the data, right?
yes, yes, sir. It's a kind of advanced data for
Hmm.
a specific
Correct.
number. Yes.
So like can I use like slicer except a pivot table, can I use slicer normally?
Uh, yes, because while you having a paper table,
Hmm.
it automatically sort out few things. Like you have to give some values in a row, in a column, wherever you want. And using this slicer stuff, there will be a specific keywords. For example, I was giving example of my team. Let's suppose there is a pivot table preparation for my entire team. So and I want to know how many cells my manager wants to know how many cells I did. So I just have to click on Asticus, then it will automatically show the number of cells in the number of in the particular month. So sir, yes, we can use that.
Just show me just separate the fast name by using text to column option. Do you know text
Okay,
to
sir.
column option?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, just
So sir, that's the logic basically. There is a complete text and we have to find a specific number. For example, here we have the dot. So using that, we can separate Asticus and Sahu now both the
okay.
columns. Let me show you.
Okay, so
It automatically creates a hyperlinks. Yes. Yes, no. We have
okay,
Asticus, then Sahu.
got it. So let me ask you something. Like being shortlisted, how soon you can join our organization?
So sir, currently with ICICI Bank, my notice period is 30 days, but sir, I can negotiate that. So
So it
sir,
is
within 15 or 17 days, I can able to join.
15 to 17 days.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your salary expectation?
So sir, currently my package with ICICI is 3.5,
Okay.
excluding all the facilities like insurance, local conventions, and other reimbursements. So, sir, like as I'm switching to a different profile, I'm okay with the initial offerings, but somewhere around expecting 6 to 7. But I'm okay with the initial offerings.
Okay. So we
Yes.
don't have any fixed budget. So
Yes, sir. Like depending upon my skill set, whatever you think it is suitable for me,
okay.
let me know.
That's great. So thank you, Astos. Thank you for joining. So our
Thank you so
HR
much,
team
sir.
will reach you about this. Okay.
So, sir, is there anything left with I can give you a more in-depth detail about?
Not like that, but we will definitely reach you regarding this.
Okay, sure, sure,
Okay.
sure, sure,
Okay.
sure, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day, sir.